In this video, you are going to see how to make uppercase to lowercase in Microsoft Excel, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have the name with the uppercase. I want to make it lowercase. So over here, let us input equal sign and input a formula lower and input the left parenthesis and select this cell and close the parenthesis and hit enter. Then it will be in the lowercase. Now using your mouse, drag it down and you will find the result for all the cells. But here you will see I have a formula behind this cell. If you want to remove this, select it, click on right button and copy it, and click on the first cell, click on right button, go to paste special and paste it as a value. Choose value and click on OK. Then here you will see I have successfully removed the formula from the background. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.